Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset Apple Watch 9 Instant Fix step by step clearly. To reset your Apple Watch Series 9, start by ensuring that your watch is charged. Press and hold the side button until the power off slider appears. Slide the power off slider to turn off your Apple Watch. Once the device is off, press and hold the side button again until the Apple logo appears. Wait for your watch to boot up completely. Now, open the Settings app on your Apple Watch. Scroll down and tap on General. In the General menu, scroll all the way down to find Reset. Tap on Reset, then choose Erase all content and settings. If prompted, enter your passcode. Confirm that you want to erase everything. Your Apple Watch will then start the resetting process. This may take a few minutes, so be patient while it completes. Once the reset is finished, your watch will display the welcome screen. Now, you can set up your Apple Watch as new or restore it from a backup. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup process. Congratulations, your Apple Watch Series 9 is now reset and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.